Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install WPS for your Windows 10 or 11. So first you are going to open your browser, any browser that you are using, and then in the search bar you are going to type WPS, and then you will see the first and official website. You just access it, and then as you can see here you will find free download. You just click here, and as you can see the download will start, and it is very short, just 7 megabyte, and it will be downloaded. And then you just click here. For me it is already installed. You just click on this file downloaded, and then you are going to just keep clicking on next. There is nothing to change in the parameters. You're just going to keep the default one. And now as you can see here the WPS will be installed, and you can use it as you want. You can create either a Word document or PowerPoint or whatever that you want. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.